The locals call it one of tropical North Queensland's best kept secrets. But holidaymakers call Fitzroy Island paradise. The kids can jump around in the sea and be safe. It's not often you get the luxury of a beach all to yourself. Whether you choose to set up camp or go up market, Fitzroy Island has a great choice of beachside cabins or luxury ocean suites and self-contained apartments. It's the perfect place to get away from it all. Explore isolated beaches, discover the rainforest, or visit one of Australia's largest voluntary turtle rehabilitation centres and witness sick or injured turtles being released back into the ocean. For more information about Fitzroy Island, head to their website.